When it comes to serving, it's very simple. Just toss the ball straight up and always try to hit it at its highest point. After you toss the ball with your left hand and it's reaching its highest point, you want to point at it with your left finger. You want to put your left leg in front and transfer the weight back, and as you hit it, use your own body weight to add more force. The racket, simple, goes in a circle, goes behind your back, and hit the ball at the highest point. When it comes to bouncing the ball, most players like to bounce it 3-5 times, just a few times. It helps to focus and to get in the zone. That's about it. Transfer your body weight back and forth. Racket goes in a circle. And hit the ball at the highest point. Have fun.